Hi, this is Diana for expertvillage.com, and we've moved outside because I'm going to start using my propane torch. And I never use propane in an enclosed area. It has to be well ventilated, so I suggest you move outside for this part. And also, I'm sitting on a concrete surface because we're going to be using a flame, and you don't want to risk burning any carpet or anything inside your house. So I always do this part outside. I also have handy my wrench because I'm going to need this to hold my copper, because the copper will get hot and you don't want to be touching it. So now I'm going to turn on our torch and get ready to solder. I'm going to turn it on just a little bit. There's a handle on the side. You turn it till you can barely hear it. And there's your flame, so be very careful with it.